1. Introduction to SaaS software as a service. SaaS delivers applications over the internet. Users don't install software locally, they access it via a browser. One software instance serves many users, multi-tenancy. Reduces upfront costs, hardware needs, and maintenance. Docs, Sheets, Gmail. Users access services anywhere via browser. One platform serving millions of subscribers. No installation of heavy software, accessed on demand. Traditional, one-to-one relationship, high license, plus hardware costs, manual updates. SaaS, centralized hosting, pay-as-you-go, automatic updates, shared instances. Earlier, companies bought CDs with licenses. Now, they subscribe to SaaS. Lower cost, auto updates, web, mobile access. 3. Benefits of SaaS. Subscription or usage-based billing. AWS S3 charges per GB stored, Netflix charges monthly per user. No hardware, software purchase. Startups use or without investing in servers. Accessible with just a browser. Canva or Trello apps are usable on phone or laptop. Always on the latest version. Slack updates are handled centrally. No user effort. Integration with third-party services. Shopify integrates with PayPal, Stripe, or shipping APIs. Adjusts to unpredictable demand. Ticket booking apps like Book My Show scale servers during movie releases. Shared resources. Less energy usage. Salesforce data centers optimize energy use by serving thousands from the same infrastructure. 4. Where SaaS works best. Best for startups, dynamic loads, mobile-first apps, on-demand tools. Not ideal for real-time apps needing ultra-fast processing, e.g. stock trading. Organizations with strict data confidentiality rules, e.g. defense, sensitive healthcare. Companies already satisfied with on-premise systems. Prefer SaaS like QuickBooks Online for accounting. Often avoid public SaaS for core banking due to compliance. 5. SaaS development models. A. SaaS from managed infrastructure and platform provider controls infra plus platform. High security, no vendor lock-in. Cons, high investment plus low utilization. On-premise SAP SaaS hosted by large enterprises. B. SaaS from IaaS plus. Managed platform infra from IaaS vendor, AWS Azure, platform self-managed. Pros, high utilization, lower capex. Cons, vendor lock-in risk. Dropbox initially built on AWS Infra plus custom platforms. C. SaaS from managed infra. Plus shared PaaS provider manages infra, uses private PaaS. Good for universities sharing a private PaaS for learning management SaaS. D. SaaS from shared IaaS plus shared PaaS. Full cloud model. Infra plus platform from cloud provider. Best for pros. High scalability, green IT, minimal overhead. Cons. Less governance, cross-tenant risk. Netflix, AWS IaaS plus PaaS. Spotify, Google Cloud. 6. New challenges in SaaS development. Sharing infra securely. Salesforce separates customer data via schema-based multi-tenancy. Tenant data isolation, encryption, intrusion detection. Microsoft 365 uses advanced security plus compliance features. Handle unpredictable loads. Zoom scaled instantly during COVID-19 demand spike. Ensure 99.99% uptime with replication and failover. AWS RDS Multi-AZ ensures DB availability. Multi-device responsive UI. Canva adapts seamlessly across desktop, tablet, mobile. Instant registration and use. Gmail, Dropbox accounts created instantly. Avoid overcharging, show usage history. AWS billing dashboard, Stripe for SaaS billing. Rolling updates without downtime. Netflix pushes daily updates with zero downtime. Must work with other tools. Slack integrates with Google Drive, GitHub, Jira. Hard to migrate between providers. Apps built heavily on AWS Lambda may face issues moving to Azure functions. SaaS, cost-effective, scalable, accessible, but with challenges. Key decisions. Multi-tenancy model, infra-platform choice, balancing security versus cost. Real-world players, Google, Microsoft, Salesforce, Zoom, Netflix, Shopify, all follow these models differently. As future developers, you must think of from day one,